Good morning, beautiful family. Um, Please remember to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. Um, what is happening in Asante Kotoko recently about the indiscipline of some of the players in the club? It is very very annoying, and they need to know that they are paying for Asante Kotoko, a club that demands a lot. The supporters demands a lot from the players. That is what they should be thinking. You are brought to Asante Kotoko to play football, to to entertain the supporters. Because if you win a game, or if you guys get a good results, that makes the supporters happy. And you should remember, or you should also know that Asante Kotoko has a huge fan base that demands a lot. They don't want to lose. But instead of some of you guys to concentrate on your matches so that you'll be able to get good results for the club and for the supporters to also be happy. But what I heard on the internet, if it is true that some of you guys are being so indisciplined at camp, you don't want to be controlled, you should also bear in mind that the club or the management or the authorities thought it wise that you guys will need a place to lay down your head. That's why, or they want you to be at one place. In case of anything, you guys will move together. That's why, in the wisdom of Asante Hene, he rented such a beautiful edifice like that for you guys. Do you understand? Instead of you two guys to be happy and be respectful and be obedient enough, look at what you guys, some of you guys are doing, showing indiscipline at camp, bringing in ladies. But if you know that you don't want to be controlled, or you can't live at the clubhouse, just tell the authorities to let you go. Last time they said this guy jumped the wall. Tinedu jumped the wall. Like how? Because of women or woman or ladies or what? I know every player's dream is to travel abroad and also earn something for his family, for his future. That is, as a player, you should be thinking, not about ladies. When some of you guys get, I don't know, at times the supporters will pamper you. You feel like you are so special. No, it's not like you are special, because they love you. They want you to do well for the club, and they, the supporters, will be happy. So they will get the needed the results. That's why sometimes they pamper you guys they dash out monies. Remember, if you guys win a match against House of Folk or you defeat House of Folk, look at the way the supporters pampered you guys. Are you not happy with it? But rather, some of you will choose other way around. How can a player you have a match and you'll be following ladies? I know you have freedom of speech, freedom of movement, but at this moment you should know you are under a club. A club. You are under some authorities that must be respected. That is what you should be thinking. And do your best for the club. Definitely, the team will break you when the season ends. So you can go home and do whatever you want to do. But when you come to the camp or the clubhouse, just know that you have sold out your liberty or freedom. You must respect. You are playing for Asante, a team like Asante Kotoko. Look at the caliber of Asante Kotoko on the continent. And you as a player, you have had the opportunity to play for such a club. Everywhere you go in this world, and they see that you play for Asante Kotoko, look at the way they respect you. Because Asante Kotoko is a huge brand. Instead of you guys to respect that, some of you choose to do something that will bring shame to the club. Why? Why should this be? Why should this thing be happening? Why? Why should it be happening? If you know you can't be at the club, just tell the authorities that you want to go out and rent your own apartment so that you can be doing your show. All these things you guys are doing, it is bad omen, bad luck for the club. How can you be winning matches? So instead of you guys to pray so that whatever thing you want to do in life with your football career, may God help you. Look at what you're doing. How is that going to help you? It will affect the club. It will affect your performance. Or you don't know that? Because I'm a footballer, so every lady I want, I will sleep with. Look at what this is. You are a footballer, and so what? You are a footballer, but remember, you are playing for a club. A lot of players, because of their indisciplined attitude, why attend them? Look at Balotelli and so on, and the other players. You can't go anywhere. You guys need to have a change of attitude and a change of mind so that it will help you a lot. Bye bye.